It's a very, very big day today. I'm so happy to be connecting and talking to all of you. Hi, Shariva. Good morning.
Hi, Karishma. How you been?
I've been good, and I'm so happy and honored to be sharing this space with you today. And
Likewise.
and best wishes for, and I wish all the manifestations that you're wanting to have may come true for all those who are joining us as well.
Yes,
And
absolutely. उसी
and
के
for
लिए ये
people.
लाइव रखा है हमने आज.
Yeah, yeah, and there's so much to share with our friends out there. And for people
Yes.
who are new to Shariva, who don't know her, Shariva is a very, very intuitive and very gifted tarot card reader. And I personally look up to her a lot. And I'm so happy and honored to be sharing this space with her today. Thank you, Shariva, for
Yay.
taking making the
Let's
time.
let's make it a powerful space for everyone today.
Absolutely.
Yes. So, like, what did you start with? Like, did you
I
explain them about the portal or what?
Absolutely. I mean, there's no dearth of information now, but I will. I'll share my take.
Yeah.
From the last many years, at least close to a decade, I have been utilizing the different portals, and I have personally seen a lot of success stories. The Lionsgate portal is nothing but a cosmic alignment of planets. Without going too much into detail, I would just share that the alignment of some stars and sun is in such a way that it makes the energies around us very, very supercharged for any, and I think it can push our manifestations probably up to tenfold as well. There is no limit. So,
Yes.
hi,
let
Vandita.
me let let me explain you in a simple gist. Okay, let's say
Yes.
कि आप बचपन से एक तारा देख रहे हो, वो आपका फेवरेट तारा है, ठीक है, but it's very far from you. You want to, look at it, उसका texture देखना है, उसका glow देखना है. Now suddenly today is the peak day, वो star बहुत आगे आ गया. Let's say आप अपने बालकनी से उसको next building के तरफ देख पा रहे हो. तो दैट इज द एनर्जी. अभी आप क्या करोगे? आप इतने साल से वो स्टार को देख रहे हो, यू आर फैंटिसाइजिंग, यू आर वेरी हैप्पी. टुडे इज द डे यू विल कनेक्ट विद द एनर्जी ऑफ द स्टार एंड you can actually implement your wishes in a powerful manifestation manner. So, are you ready for this?
I am ready, and I hope all the others, all our friends are ready as well.
Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so let's everyone just close your eyes. Let's take a long deep breath.
And sending you all a lot of smoke so
Let's
that your
get
space is cleared.
let's get into the energy of number 8, which means parishram, parishram, and lot of hard work, lot of perseverance. But this is the year to do smart work because abhi AI aa gaya hai, and for all the people who are still learning or don't know about AI, you will get there. You are in a turtle phase, but you will surely get, on a cheetah phase very soon. So 8 is the number of infinity also, and आज वही दिन है infinity का. Let's say I want to manifest a studio for my brand. I'm just giving an example. So मैं ऐसा क्या करूंगी कि what actions, what belief system I should be, hand holding, so that it does not just give me like, let's say स्टूडियो बन गया. नो, उसके आगे क्या? आई हैव टू, द आउटकम शुड बी लेगेसी बेस्ड बिकॉज द नंबर 8 is more of a infinity based, right? Number 8, let's say if someone is, number 8 in terms of the figure. So we just say them, you have a sexy infinite figure, right? So that is the way you have to look things like infinity. Not as in कि हाँ चलो मुझे ये मिल गया तो ठीक है. No, not like that. So Karishma, what do you want to say about the energy of infinity as a healer?
I think energy of infinity is a constant work,
Yes.
because we get to a point and that is not the end, and we have to be in a constant state of
Lots of
movement.
turns.
Yeah, lots of turns, ups, downs, everything we have to take it in our stride. Part of it is also important that we constantly release what is not affecting us. It could be fears, it could be any belief system that we have, physically, mentally, spiritually, in every way. So
Yes.
as we proceed, it is equally important to release as well, because what got us here will not get us further.
Yes.
So
Yes.
I think
Absolutely
that's one
true.
aspect is very underrated.
Yes. So, Karishma, what do you feel like today's energy right now? What do you feel is meant to be released, like overall channeled, like collective energy? What are you feeling right now?
I have been very strongly getting around this time that whatever holds us back from anything, it could be any fear that I have, like I said, like I always had a very huge fear of, can I do this or can I do that? A lot of self doubt. That's one thing I am working on releasing. But whatever does not suit us is something that should be released, especially since it is a landscape portal. If we don't release it now, it is going to even become manifold. If we think,
It will create more blockages,
yes,
and that can, create a big blockage overcome in your outcomes that you are want to
yes,
manifesting today.
I absolutely agree. So I think that is
Yes.
something
So,
one, if nothing else, that is one thing we should work on right now.
yes. So everyone just close your eyes. I would really love to, remove a oracle read for all of you. So I want to connect with your energies. So take a long deep breath. Dear universe, please help me remove a perfect guidance for today's powerful Lionsgate portal for all the people who are watching this live. And there we have it. What
This
does
is
it say?
exciting. Let's see what the
Okay,
guidance
okay,
comes through.
okay. The card actually I'm using my deck, so it's more of the oracle aspect card I have taken out. So I would like to take something from the major arcana. Let's say.
And while Shariva pulls out some guidance for us, for people who are new to her, she's for all her years of experience, she's put in and she's released her own oracle cards, her own take, which is really really potent, and something I have also been lucky enough to get to use in my readings.
Okay, so I am actually very happy. The cards are really beautiful. They are all positive cards, okay? So, the first card I would talk about in some time, okay? The second card I pulled is Joy of Faith. I don't know if you can see it, okay? What do you feel from this image, Karishma? I want you to explain intuitively.
I strongly feel that she is ready to embrace whatever abundance the universe is sending her way.
Yes. Actually, it's more about we thought, let's say कि आज हम let go वाला ritual we'll do for the community, but our community is smart, right? They have already like let go on, of something. Now they are ready to embrace this beautiful energy. So they are already happy. तो थोड़ा नाटक करो ना खुशी होने का. मुझे स्टूडियो चाहिए मैं खुश हूँ मैं तो खुश ही रहती हूँ बट फॉर द पीपल हु वांट थिंग्स इन देयर लाइफ हु आर अचीविंग आउटकम्स विद इन दिस मंथ विद इन दिस ईयर दे हैव टू एक्ट हैप्पी नॉट फेकली दिल से जब किसी पप्पी को देखते हो जब किसी बेबी को देखते हो फेकली निकलता है क्या ऑल यू सो क्यूट नो राइट यू शो रियल इमोशंस राइट सो
Yes.
वैसे ही शो फॉर योर सेल्फ यूनिवर्स ने कंफर्मेशन दे दिया है थ्रू द बोथ ऑफ अस right? So be happy, be grateful, and just say thank you to lion and lioness energy because it's so powerful today. So I just want everyone to just take your notebook या कोई भी sticky note ले लो, उसमें लिख दो कि thank you, I have achieved this mission by, you can put maybe this year or next year, but we are talking about this year. So it's best you put it by the end of this year, right? So usko आप fold करो and keep it in your heart and just smile. स्माइल, जितना आप स्माइल कर सकते हो करो. देखो स्टार्टिंग में 2 मिनट फेक लगेगा आपको, आपको लगेगा मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट अ किड एनी मोर, बट यू हैव टू बी अ किड, right? So take like this, ठीक है? And just smile, 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 smile. Just smile in your aura. It will connect to your heart chakra, and जो आपने लिखा है वो मैग्नेटाइज होगा. And
Absolutely.
then if you want more of the energy, you can keep it under your pillow or you can burn it. It's up to you.
Absolutely.
So do
And I'd
this
like
today,
to add to
everyone.
what huh. Something that works for me is also I'd like to add to what you said, Shariva, is when you're thinking and manifesting or visualizing it, start saying lines magic begin now at least 7 to 8 times, at least a
Yes.
day, and it's going
Yes.
to really help amplify the connection.
Yes. And along with that, अगर आपको लगता है फिर भी कि some people may not be that positive, like the both of us, so you can do like a YouTube पे आप Hopopono search करो, तो you can do like 108 times. You have to do 108 times because 9 times करने से कुछ नहीं होता है. Have you seen your mom or your aunt in your home? There is a purpose they do the थाली and the अगरबत्ती in some rounds. ठीक है, वो एक बार करके नहीं घुमाते, right? There is a reason to that. So
Yeah.
same, you have to finish the Hopopono in 108 times, right?
Why don't we do at least 2 3 times the Ho'oponopono prayer for our friends here? And
Yeah, yeah,
you
yeah,
know,
surely. We'll do it. But before that, Karishma, I want you to, let's say, we'll talk about कल का एनर्जी, क्योंकि आप मैं चाहती हूँ आप एक ओरेकल रीड करो कल के लिए. So on the basis of that, we can decide what ritual to perform on.
sure, I'd love to do that.
Yes.
I work a lot with animal spirit oracle cards, so I will use that, and I will just see what the guidance comes.
I know intuitively I am feeling कि खुद के अंदर का जो एक बच्चा वाला एनिमल होता है उसको बाहर निकालो, उसको इम्प्लीमेंट
वो तो
करो.
यार मेरा हमेशा ही बाहर रहता है. By default, I'm in that state, and
You have to be in that energy, otherwise seriousness से कुछ नहीं होता है. And obviously you can plan, you can structure, but the energy has to be of cuteness, silliness.
absolutely,
Yes.
absolutely. Wow. Can you believe it?
Oh my god, wow.
I'm so amazed.
It had to be, the
There,
energies are so powerful.
there could not be a better confirmation or reaffirmation of the. I mean, it says be generous of spirit and lion guidance.
Wow,
I would say
wow,
what I always get from this is be generous in spirit in caring for yourself first
wow, wow.
and loving
What is the
yourself first. Hmm,
Yeah, what is the number on the card? Is it 37?
it is.
So that equals to number 1, which means leadership, the sun energy, which is also connected to the star sign
Absolutely.
Leo.
Oh my
Yes.
God, this is so amazing. This is so
Yes.
amazing.
So all the people who are Leos, or they have their bosses or workplace people Leos, or their partners or family members, यू कैन थोड़ा उनको बड़ा चढ़ा के आप बोल सकते हो प्यार से, you're नाइस, बिकॉज दे लव द स्टारडम, फेम एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स एंड ऑल दैट. हु नोज, मे बी सेइंग दैट will activate your magnetism. Who knows?
Absolutely. And this, I think, is a reaffirmation of self love and, honoring your own spirit also.
Yes. The more, universe also says, the more you give, you will receive.
Absolutely. Hi, Ajivardhan. Hi, Vandita.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you so much, guys, for joining. So, I think
So I am
maybe let
really
us start.
confused now, Karishma. Like,
uh,
what should we do the ritual on? The cards are so perfect.
I would still say we should do a brief Ho'oponopono prayer for self confidence, self love, and basically
No,
releasing
let's
whatever.
let's not do confidence, because वो
Hmm.
कार्ड से ऑलरेडी है लोगों में. लेट्स से 65% तो होगा. मे बी वी कैन डू लाइक अ स्टिलनेस, ईज, बिकॉज कॉन्फिडेंस होने के लिए यू नीड टू बी एट ईज. You can't
Absolutely.
just you can't just wear clothes like Ranveer Singh and be like, ah, you can't do that. You have to be with ease, right?
Yeah.
So yes. So, in order for everyone to be in this sacred stillness, right? So, first of all, we need to find that kind of emotion or that belief which, which makes you act in a reverse way.
Yep.
जैसे जैसे किसी
I
का
think
टेक्स्ट आ
Niranjan and
गया.
Sanchari just joined us. Hi.
Oh.
So great to have you. Great. I'm so sorry I interrupted you. Please go ahead.
या सो लेट्स से कि अगर किसी का टेक्स्ट आ गया हमको बचपन से, फ्रॉम कॉलेज, और समवन फ्रॉम द पास्ट, सो द बटरफ्लाई वी फील. Now that can be a positive feeling or a negative
Especially if
feeling.
it's an old crush.
I don't know. I don't believe in crushes. I believe in
Crushing others?
lifelong commitment, or just stay away. I am that kind of a person because my Venus is in Scorpio. So या सो
Hmm.
जो बटरफ्लाई जो नॉट्स आप फील कर रहे हो, तो वो आपको पहले फाइंड आउट करना है. लेट्स से आई हैव अ मीटिंग टुडे.
Hmm.
सो द पर्सन जिसके साथ मैं कर रही हूँ, जिस जगह पे मुझे लाइक जाना है मीटिंग अटेंड करने, हाउ एम आई फीलिंग, एम आई एट ईज? बिकॉज इफ आई एम नॉट एट ईज, आई वोंट बी एबल टू परफॉर्म. So
Yep.
let's
That's
say,
very important to stay mindful.
yes,
Hmm.
let's say I'm more of a HSP. HSP means highly sensitive person. So I am very incapable of the surroundings of the energy. I can easily pick it up. सामने वाले का पेट खराब है, मुझे ऐसे अजीब लगेगा. भले भले आई हैव एट ककड़ी खाया, मैंने गाजर खाया, हैड योगर्ट ऑल्सो, but it's because of the energy, because I am very highly sensitive to energies, right? So what is it, everyone? Please write it in the comment box. Key what this emotion that you want to fill from chaos to stillness.
Right. If you agree with us,
Yes.
write that as well so that we
Yes.
know that we
they
are
are
just.
उनको उनको बात शायद नहीं समझ में आ रहा होगा, but they must be feeling what I am explaining, because yeah.
Yes. I think
Yes,
Sanchari writes, I
Sanchari.
am that's definitely Sanchari.
Yes, Sanchari. That's why I connected with you the most as a mentor. And we don't have to speak so much, to understand each other. Yes.
Uh, Vandita writes, call for patience and peace.
Nature vibes.
Hmm.
Yes, yes, yes.
All right.
ठीक है. So
So let's
let's,
start.
yes, ठीक है. So everyone close your eyes. Yes. Close your eyes. Take a long deep breath. Keep your hand on your heart. Let's first acknowledge ourselves, ठीक है? Me, take your name. I want you to believe in your essence today, as today is the Lionsgate portal and tomorrow is the full moons. So, the energy that you have within you, it's already very powerful. Even the cards, even the universe has already recognized it today. I want you to just bring it out into the air, into your space, and get guided by this powerful energy of the lions and the lioness. Now think of the feeling that that is emerging in your heart chakra. Maybe it can be courage, maybe it can be perseverance. Maybe you feel like a warrior, maybe you feel like you feel like some goddess, you feel like a strong animal. Let's say you feel like a lion. It's okay if you can feel like a penguin, if you feel strong with that. Just look at the energy that is radiating inside you and connect with the powerful energy of that animal or the character that you want to embody. You will notice the difference if you visualize it and focus properly. ऊपर से सब पावरफुल है, ऊपर से सब स्ट्रांग है, but if you open up and see the layers below, you will see that they have this power of being and at calmness, at stillness. क्योंकि जितना base your your base, your foundation is the strongest, only then the structure will be powerful. So try to find the hooks and the cracks. Now we are going to address it. So again, keep your hand on your heart chakra. So I am sorry, take your name for all the shortcomings and all the disbeliefs, disemotions, space, this clarity that I am having still in my space, in my aura, that I'm unable to achieve my dream mission by the end of this year. But today, things are going to be changing, as today is the powerful Lionsgate portal and the upcoming full moon's portal. So, dear universe, you can just scream and shout, okay? If it's okay for you. Dear universe, I am delighted you to invite me and guide me for this powerful journey for me to walk on and trust your guidance. You can take your God's name, mentor's name, your family member's name, anything that gives you power, even the animals, even the plants, anything to give me strength to walk on this beautiful, powerful journey and accomplish all my positive outcomes with ease, with peace, with perseverance and smart work. Take a long deep breath, release. I am acknowledging everything that I just said, and I am ready to walk in with a positive mindset, with a positive aura, with a big and beautiful hug from the lion and the lioness and their powerful energy. It's safeguarding me, it's protecting me, my family members, my pets, my plants, my missions. Okay, stay in that energy for 15 seconds. And now you will feel, कि एक आगे, if you are visualizing all this, you will feel कि एक बड़ा सा full moon है, glow हो रहा है, it's so big in front of your eyes, but you're not scared of it. There is a big gate, बहुत बड़ा gate है, golden color का. And there are, there is one lion on the left and there is one beautiful lioness on the right, and they are so happy to see you. They are finally, like your spirit guides, they are guiding you to walk with them into this beautiful golden gate. So now it's up to you. Are you ready to walk or do you want to still stay, जो आप एनर्जी में रह रहे थे 7th अगस्त में? नहीं ना? You want to walk, right? So let's walk. Let's दोनों का हाथ पकड़ो प्यार से. Feel like a small kid. Feel like they both are your parents. And walk slowly. Just act like you are happy, you are dancing, you are singing, and just go inside the gate. And now you are just about to enter the gate. वो गेट पूरा ग्लो, आपको जो दिख रहा है, आपको फील हो रहा है, द गोल्डन ग्लो, द वार्मथ. How do you feel the warmth? What do you feel in your heart chakra? Do you feel happy? Do you feel calm? You may not feel powerful, but you may feel calm. Now it's the time. Take your hand to your heart chakra and say, thank you, thank you, thank you, my spirit guides, lion and lioness, for this beautiful journey that you guided me to walk on this beautiful day, 8 portal, with the energy of the full moon. I have recognized my inner powerful essence, talent, energy, and I'm ready to accomplish my mission like this. Do it with me. I'm ready to accomplish my goal like this.
I'm ready to accomplish my goal like this.
Yes. And now you will see, your spirit guides, they are disappearing. उनका काम था आपको आगे तक छोड़ना. अभी आप गेट के अंदर आ गए. दैट इज योर वर्ल्ड. ठीक है, विजनरी वर्ल्ड. वो रियल में नहीं होता है. ठीक है. सो नाउ व्हाट यू विल डू, आप घुस गए हो गेट में, यू हैव फेल्ट ऑल द ग्लो, यू हैव रिकॉग्नाइज्ड योर टैलेंट्स. व्हाट विल यू डू? You'll have to speak, acknowledge and recognize the emotions that you're feeling right now. So let's end it with a beautiful line. I love you, I love you, I love you. Take your name. I love you, lion, lioness, 8 portal, full moon. I love you. Thank you for this beautiful opportunity. I love you, plants. I love you, animals. I love you, mentors. I love you, God, goddesses. I love my family. I love my friends. I love myself. This love that I'm feeling right now, may it be so big, so pure that I can keep it inside my heart and also provide it to my near and dear ones. And if I, uh, you know, I get sidetracked or I get confused, so it may have the energy to guide me back on my path and make me feel all safe and loved, just like what I'm feeling right now. Say thank you 8 times.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Now is the time to just say your, small wish to the universe, or even you can give a gratitude. And then whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes.
Oh, that felt empowering. Thank you. That was wonderful.
Wow, wow. Oh, my palms are sweaty.
And I feel a lot of vibrations, in fact.
Yes,
Great.
yes, yes, yes.
In fact, this full moon energy and Lionsgate energy together is a very, very lethal combination in terms of
Yeah, yeah, it is. It
amplifying
is.
our release. Yeah. And I am also doing this free energy healing and energy cleansing tomorrow, like I do every full moon. So
Yes,
I think
yes.
I'll tomorrow between 8 p.m. onwards, I'll be starting, and I would love it if all of you can join. If you want any uh, healing to be done for you or your pets, any one of the friends who are
Yes,
joining us, you
yes.
can send me pictures. I
Yes.
will include it in my
Karishma,
message.
just explain the process of the healing. Like people who may be curious or interested, it will be easier for them.
So, healing is actually not always necessary, God forbid, for anybody for any major illnesses or something. But on a regular basis, like I said, sorry, my throat is really bad.
Just have some
Cleansing,
water.
yeah, it's not close to me now. So,
It's
but
okay.
anyway,
It's okay. Just go. Just
so
have some water.
healing would more be like cleansing, energy cleansing, because we go through a lot, we meet a lot of people, and we suppress a lot of things as humans because we have to put up a show,
True. True.
right?
True.
But
True.
what we suppress are animals, our pets, whoever we are close to, they take on all those feelings. So for them also, it's very important to have regular cleansing done because, like us, it will also manifest for them in form of any sickness, and they take it on as their journey. But it's from a karmic point of view, it's not good on us also that we do not do our bit to help them release or help them heal whatever they're going
Yes.
through on our
So
behalf.
basically, so
हाँ,
basically, Karishma is saying in short, जहाँ अगर आपको कर्मा साफ रखना है, आप क्लेंस करो, खुद को करो,
absolutely.
पेट्स को करो, आजू बाजू वालों को करो, स्पेस को करो. Do that. Keep
Even
do that.
plants, they take a
Yes.
lot for they take on a lot for us.
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
that's the
Maybe
basic
we could do
premise.
like a maybe we could do like a session, ठीक है? Like one fine day we can do like how to cleanse your space.
We
Short, like
will.
50,
We will come up
50
with a
minutes.
huge number of series. There's so much we can share with our friends out there.
Yeah, yeah.
But
Yes.
right now, uh, we've already been talking to them for so long, they might have lots to do. But
Yes, yes.
would you like to share any one or two key rituals for others to do, basically for Lionsgate Portal? Like what I do is like eight in the morning, I wrote down 8 wishes
Yeah, yeah.
and I
Wow.
held it and closed, like you said, kept it close to my heart and did a line magic begin now. And I'm
Yes.
going to keep it with me for 8 days and then start. probably burn it out and release the ashes to the universe. That is something which has worked for me always. If
Nice.
there's something you would like to share with our
I've
friends out
already
there,
shared, but I see. I am not into scripting and all that. I'm more of acting it out, emoting.
I'm also
So
not into scripting.
so what I do, I will just take the energy of lioness and like unse jo relation hai, let's say god, goddesses or any archetype, I'll just try to embody and act it out. So lioness will be like when she gets when she's confident, how she will be, how they roar. So I do all that in front of the mirror, and then I see ki ki am I doing it with fakeness or I am doing it with reality.
Absolutely.
And then आई एम मोर ऑफ अ अफर्मेशन मैं बोल देती हूँ, खुद को मैं थोड़ा ईज आउट कर देती हूँ, एंड मोस्टली विजुअलाइजेशन. So yeah, then I'm good to go with.
Yes,
Yes.
and affirmations is something I would urge all of you to practice today, especially
Yes.
related to your career, your own financial goals. It's a Friday Venus energy, so beauty related goals, and uh,
जाओ
and
जाओ
from
आज
my
स्पा का अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करो और आज चले जाओ सब लोग.
yes, and I send energies to all of you for your manifestations.
Okay, I just have a affirmation, so I can just say, okay? So you can just say, I am in harmony with my soul, with my body, with my mind, and the beautiful divine timing. Say it again. I am in harmony with my soul, with my body, with my mind, and this beautiful divine timing.
I am in harmony with my soul, my body, and the beautiful divine timing. I think I left something.
Yay. Okay, one more thing, Karishma. Agar, let's say there must be special people, universe के favorites. उनको अगर 888 दिखता है तो what is the meaning? I want you to share it.
Oh, that is, I think, a big positive sign that they are in alignment and not long before they get some breakthrough. Magic, in fact, magic like a
Yes.
breakthrough, which can teleport them to their desired timeline very short.
Yes, yes, absolutely. It's not just about 888. Any number that you see, it means the universe is, saying, चलो चलो आगे जाओ प्यार से, तुम बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो, जाओ जाओ जाओ, मेरा
लगे रहो चाहे
सपोर्ट
बड़े
है,
चला.
मेरा प्यार है तुम्हारे साथ, चलो जाओ आगे. So
Absolutely.
take it like
Great.
a positive, encouragement and just walk in your journey.
True.
Yes.
All right. Uh, I think we've taken around 40 minutes of our friends' time. So
Yes, but if anybody has questions, related to this, so we can take it up
mm,
if you don't
I did
mind.
receive a question from one of my friends.
Okay.
She wanted to talk about how to deal with fear and self doubt. What should
That
we
is
do
that is
regarding?
not the space to answer this right now, but
Yeah,
if in short, if you ask me, first of all, you'll have to sit down and rethink and feel कि ये fear क्यों हो रहा है आपको? Is it because when someone is not talking to you? Is it when you are staying alone in a space? What is it? Write it down,
mm,
and you have to make सब चीज का opposite करना है आपको. जैसे let's say if someone is abusing me, so I don't have to do that. I have to laugh it out. You are abusing me. Oh my God, God bless you. That's it. I have to transmit the energy. That is a
yep.
big process. आपको लगेगा मैं क्या बात कर
Nay,
रही
I
हूँ,
think
but
for that, there will be a lot of sensitive things which people cannot talk about on a public space. So, if any
yes.
one of our friends want to discuss anything in person on a one on one basis, I would suggest you can follow Shariva and me.
Yes.
We have a link in our bio. You can book time with us.
Yes,
We'll be
and for
happy
all the
to.
people who are watching this live, if I'll send you a link if you DM Shine, and if you fill the form for this deck you want to buy, if you want to connect with my energies that I have created this beautiful deck, took a lot of time, divine energies, guidance, and you want my energies to be with you, and you can purchase this deck. So उनके लिए ही I'll do like a sample reading, like specialized sample reading for them, just them.
And I, from my side, I'll do a free 15-minute one-on-one session, like a discovery call for whoever wants to talk through and share their concerns or needs guidance on manifestation or any kind of healing.
Yes,
I'll be
yes,
happy to do that.
yes. And Karishma, do we have any more questions from the form?
No,
Okay.
just one.
Okay. So if anyone wants to talk to us right now, you can send a request. We'll love to talk to you.
Yep. All right. Thank you guys so much for your time. Thank you, Shariva, for joining me and making the time. It's been a wonderful discussion, and I hope we've been able to share something positive and help people out there, our friends out
Yes,
there who've
yes.
joined us.
Likewise, likewise. Thank you for all the lovely, beautiful souls that that have watched this live, and they put our hearts. We have put so much of our hearts, and divine timing is already aligning for all of us, and our spirit guides, universe is just ready, and they are like, "Chalo, aage jao."
Yeah. And I sincerely wish all your manifestations and wishes come true. All of us who are here with us today.
Yes. Maybe Karishma, we can do like I want you to finish it with a powerful affirmation for tomorrow, full moons.
For full moon, one or two simple affirmations I would suggest is I release whatever does not serve me. I release every blockage that holds me back in every way, financially, spiritually, health wise. And I welcome and I'm ready to receive all the blessings that the universe has to give me.
Wow. यस. और बहुत इजी अफर्मेशन आज के लिए मैं बताना चाहूंगी. बड़ा अफर्मेशन नहीं आ रहा समझ में, जस्ट से आई एम पावरफुल, आई एम पावरफुल, जस्ट रिपीटेड 8 टाइम्स. हो गया, आपका काम हो गया.
Great. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining us. We wish you
Yes.
a very good day and a very powerful and happy time ahead. Thank you so
करिश्मा,
much.
द फ्रीक्वेंसी हैज शिफ्टेड सो मच, मुझे खुद ही एक लायनेस ड्रॉ करने का मन कर रहा है.
ड्रॉ करना और शेयर करना.
It will take a lot of time, yeah. Come on.
ठीक है. जब भी हो जाए. आज
Yeah.
कल परसों जब भी हो जाए, please do share.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Chalo.
Cool. Thank you
Chalo,
so much,
bye
guys.
everyone. Take
Have a
care.
very good day.